So in terms of capabilities, in terms of what you're building in this open source project, and again, it's Eidolon, and realize the vision of the future, right?
Yeah, we built a framework that allows people to focus on business logic. We pull the LLM and everything complicated away from the user
Hmm.
so that they can focus on their business logic. But yet, if you want to override a component, you're not doing what you're doing in LangChain, going and finding source code and rewriting 6 different bits just to get to the prompt,
Right.
right? You want to override a prompt, it's a spec override in this Kubernetes spec I was talking about in one little tiny configuration spot, and you're done. It also allows different engineering groups to focus on different things. Imagine if I'm an SAP and I want to write an adapter that queries SAP or ERP and uses an LM to do text to SQL for that. So do you think that would work in Python well? Do you think they have a good adapter in Python for that? Probably not. It's SAP, probably not. But even there, the developers that you would find that would know that stuff don't know Python. That's not their natural language. That's not what they do. So with Eidolon, we allow you to write the code that is for your services that you need to be decoupled, and then very easily bring that into the system. We're focused on, and I think that's a computer science principle that hasn't been as thought about as it needs to be in recent years. Again, if you want to bring out a different component and swap out a different component, it's very easy to do. If you want to have 4 different LLMs that you're talking to in one agent, you can very easily do that. We don't recommend it, but if that's your software pattern that you need to have, where you're bouncing between them very rapidly, maybe with low latency or something like that, and they're small local models, very easily you can do that. If you want to call an agent from anywhere else in your system, again, it's a REST API with an OpenAPI 3.1 spec attached to it. So that's immediately available for you to do. And it's all open source. Every single bit of it's open source.